Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club Easy Learning. Maths Club Easy Learning provide you free YouTube channel. I am Professor Dipanjan Kumar De. Today I am delivering another important lecture on Jacobian transformation. The chapter is Jacobian. This is the second part 2. Earlier I have already discussed Jacobian first part. This is the second part of Jacobian. This is for engineering mathematics especially, and also important for others competitive exam throughout India like NET exam, GATE exam. This is also important for MCA, MTech, MSc Mathematics, BSc Mathematics. In this lecture, I'll do some sums from university question paper. Just I have selected. In my previous video I have given the details theory. So today just solving problem, two problems I'll solve here. I have taken sums from university question paper. Let's start. I think in this lecture you will understand very nicely. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So if you have any problem, I'm giving my mobile number. You can contact with me, that is 94330-84638. This is my mobile number or WhatsApp number. So I have taken these sums from university question paper, like u equal to x square minus 2y, b equal to x plus y plus z, w equal to x plus x minus 2y plus 3z, find del u v w by del x y z. So this sum I am doing. Okay, this sum is very important. So now let's see the solution. Okay. So according to definition, already definition Jacobian I have discussed in my previous video, that is in part 1, Jacobian part 1. So this is the second video. According to definition of Jacobian, del u v w by del x y z is equal to del u del x del v del x, that is del u del x del v del x del w del x. Okay, del w del x. Similarly, del u here will be del u del y del v del y del w del y. Now del u del z del v del z del w del z. This is the determinant. This I have written from definition of Jacobian. Now from this information, that is u equal to this, b equal to this, w equal to this, from this I have to find del u del x. Del u del x means differentiate u with respect to x partially. Del v del x, same thing, differentiate v with respect to x partially when y and z are constant. Similarly, del w del z del x means differentiate w with respect to x when y and z are constant. So just I am putting here, you just see, you can find the value, what is del u del x. You equal, just for your convenience I am writing here u equal to x square minus 2y. So now what is del u del x? Del u del x with respect to x, that is 2x, y is constant. Similarly, del v del x, v equal to what? V equal to this, x plus y, v equal to what? x plus y plus z. So del v del x equal to 1, del v del x equal to 1, and w equal to what? W equal to x minus 2y plus 3z. Okay, so now del w del z, del w del z, del w del z means differentiate w with respect to del w del x with respect to x when y and z are constant. So this equal to 1, this and these are constant, so this is 0. Try to understand del v del x with respect to x when y z constant. So this and this differentiation 0, so this is 1. So this is del u del x, del v del x, del w del x. Similarly from here del u del y means this value with respect to y partially, that is minus 2. Similarly del v del y is equal to del v del y equal to 1 with respect to y. Similarly del w del y is equal to minus 2. Okay, now this part I have to find del u del z, del u del z, this value with respect to z, this is actually 0 because there is no z is there. Del u del z means differentiate u partially with respect to z when x and y are constant. So this part must be 0 differentiation. Okay, so now here del v del z, del v del z is equal to 1 because this is 1. Similarly here del w del z, this equal to with respect to z, that is 3, this equal to 3. Okay, just I am putting all this value in this determinant. Okay, now I am putting over here, just you follow me, del u del x equal to what? Del u del x, that is 2x. So I am just putting the value 2x, then del v del x, this is 1, del w del x, this is also 1. Okay, del u del y minus 2, del v del y is 1, del w del y is minus 2. Similarly del u del z 0, del v del z is 1, and del w del z is equal to 3. So now this determinant, you have to break this determinant by just breaking the determinant, get the answer. Okay, so I think very easiest method I am telling. So try to understand the concept. That is, this is from definition of Jacobian. Now from this given information, that is given thing, u v w are given, from this we have to find all these things, then just putting over here. Now break the determinant, like here what I am doing here, follow me, 2x, just breaking 2x, then just 2x, then this and this will be cancelled, this into this minus this into this, 3 plus 2, then plus 2, then tell me this and this cancel, 3 minus 1, okay, so this becomes 2x, and this is 5, so it will be 15x, right? That is 15x minus plus 4, so 15x plus 4, so that comes 15x plus 4. So this is the answer of this sum. 3 plus 2 5, 5 to 10, 10, this will be 10, okay, 10x, so it will be 10x plus 4, 10x plus 4, this is the answer for this sum. This is very, very important. Okay, this is very, very important. I think you understand very nicely. Now I am going for next sum number 2. Then I will finish this lecture for today. Okay, so now sum number 2 I am choosing sum, doing sum number 2. Sum number 2, it is from or university question paper, that is I am taking this sum. This is quite tough calculation. If u equal to example 2, if u equal to yz by x, v equal to zx by y, w equal to xy by z, okay, xy by z. Then show that del u v w by del x y z is equal to 4, okay, this equal to 4. Same thing, solution according to definition, this is show that this equal to 4, that means this what I am writing here, solution, that is from definition of Jacobian, del u v w by del x y z is equal to determinant of del u del x, determinant of del u del x, del v del x, del u del x, del v del x, del w del x. Similarly, del u del y, del v del y, del w del y, del u del z, del v del z, del w del z. Okay, this. Okay, now from the given information, u equal to what? U equal to yz by x. Okay, so now del u del x, from here del u del x, what I am getting, del u del x, that is with respect to x, differentiate u with respect to x partially when yz constant. So 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, that is minus yz by x square. Okay, similarly del u del y with respect to y when x and z constant, so z by x. Similarly del u del z with respect to z when x and y are constant partially. Okay, so this is equal to y by x. Okay, now v equal to what? Same thing, v equal to zx by y. So therefore del v del x, that is z by y, del v del y minus del v del y with respect to y. Be careful, with respect to y when x and z constant, minus zx by y square. Then del v del z with respect to z, that is x and y are constant, so this is x by y. Similarly the z u v w equal to what? W equal to, we are getting xy by z, xy by z. So therefore del w del x equal to y by z, del w del y with respect to y, that is x by z when x and z are constant, del w del z, del w del y, now del w del z is equal to minus x y by z square minus. Okay, so all these value I am getting here. Now just I am putting all this value in this determinant, then break the determinant, get the answer. Very easiest method. So try to solve now. This equal to, just I am putting the value, that is minus yz by x square, then this will be z by x, this is y by x. Okay, y by x. Now this will be z by y, then just this del v del y, that is minus zx by y square, then this will be x by y. Now this, that is y by z, this is z by x by z, this is x by z, and this is minus xy by z square. So this, break this determinant, you will get the answer. Just I am verifying whether it is correct or wrong. Yes, it is correct. Okay, now taking out 1 by x square, taking out 1 by x square, 1 by y square and 1 by z square common from R1, R2, R3. What I am doing? Taking out 1 by x square, 1 by y square, 1 by z square from R1, R2, R3 respectively. From R1, R2, R3 respectively. What I am doing? From first row I am taking 1 by x square. This from second row I am taking 1 by y square. From third row I am taking 1 by z square. Okay. So now we are getting here. So that is equal to 1 by x square, y square, z square. Then this will be minus yz. This will be xz. This will be xz, and this will be xy. This is xy. Similarly, 1 by y square from here, that is yz minus zx. This is xy. This is xy. Similarly, 1 by z square taking from that is yz, that is xz. This is minus xy. So this. So after taking 1 by x square, 1 by y square, 1 by z square common from R1, R2 and R3, we are getting this determinant. Now from this determinant, that is, you just follow me, that is C1 dash equal to C1 plus C2 and C3 dash, you can take yz, I am taking common from here, xz common from here and xy common from here. Just I am removing this part because not getting the space here. So I am taking what I am taking common from, you see yz common from C1, taking taking y is common, taking common yz, zx and xy from C1, C2, C3, column 1, column 2, column 3. So 1 by, here is 1 by x square, y square, z square is there, then yz into yz into zx into xy. Then what I am getting here? So minus 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then 1, minus 1, 1. Then 1, 1, minus 1. Okay. Okay. So now you see here x square, y square, z square. and here is x square, y square, z square. So this thing I am getting cancelled. So now what I am doing here, see, you see, I am adding this with this, C1 dash, R1 dash, or you can do this way, this with this, that is C, that is R1 dash, R1 plus R1 dash equal to R1 dash equal to R2 dash, R2 dash equal to R2 plus R1, R3 dash equal to R3 plus R1. What I am doing here, just follow me. Okay, R1 remains same, minus 1, 1, then 1. Then R2 dash equal to R2 plus R1. 1 means this plus this, that comes 0. This plus this, that comes 0. This plus this, that comes 1, 2. Okay, this plus this. Similarly, this plus this, R3 dash, R3 plus R1, this is 0. Then this plus this is 2. Now this plus this is 0. So now here you are getting 2 zeros. So break by this way, this determinant, that is minus 1. Then this and this cancel, 0, this into this, minus this into this. 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. So that means minus minus plus 4. Minus minus plus 4. So what is the value of this now? What is the value of this? This, then continuation this. Okay, this is the continuation. Then this, after this, this. Okay. So now therefore we can say, therefore del of UVW by del of x, y, z is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. So I think you understand very nicely. So keep watching, sharing, commenting this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This is for higher mathematics, okay, for engineering mathematics. Okay, so thank you very much.